ISO 222, this could be one of the most powerful terms in the cryptocurrency industry, which has already determined what cryptocurrency coins will lead the future marketplace. In this video, we're going to discuss what is ISO 222, how are the Fed linked into this, and what cryptocurrency coins do you need to keep on your radar. So let's set the scene. Currently, the language we use to exchange financial information varies country to country, and this creates a lot of challenges, especially in an increasingly global economy. So how do we fix this technological issue when it comes to sending and receiving data in all these different languages? Well, by November 2025, a new legislation will come into place, which will require all financial institutions to use a common language and a common model for payments. And this is what we call ISO 222. And the focus of this problem-solving exercise will be all about implementing distributed ledger technology, aka what we see in cryptocurrency right now. Now, the combination of cryptocurrency and financial institutions may sound like a pipe dream, but let me tell you one thing right now. This legislation is currently backed by SWIFT, the society that currently facilitates 32 million financial messages a day, linking 11,000 financial institutions in 200 different countries or territories. And in addition to this, the adoption is currently being driven forward by the Federal Reserve, that little bank in America. You might have heard of them. So as you can see, this legislation not only has US backing, it also has international backing. In fact, if you Google your local central bank, I guarantee you they've signed up to ISO 222 as well. Now, with the financial community all on the same page, there's no denying that ISO 222 will be a massive catalyst for early investors in the cryptocurrency space. But again, how does it all link into cryptocurrency? We sort of touched on it before, but let's dive a bit more into it. Well, in pursuit of this new frontier, as I've already mentioned, there's a big focus on distributed ledger technology, so we can all have the same common language when it comes to exchanging financial information internationally, in which there's one piece of information that no one seems to be talking about in the cryptocurrency space, and that is currently there are 8 cryptocurrency projects that meet the requirements to fulfill ISO 222 needs. And when I say they meet the requirements, when you check the official compliance requirements, these cryptocurrency projects tick all the boxes. So what are these 8 cryptocurrency coins? Well, you're gonna hate me for the first one, but number 1 is Ripple. That's right, I've said it, Ripple. The number 1 most hated coin probably in the whole of the cryptocurrency space. Now, surprisingly, Ripple were one of the first cryptocurrency projects to actually be added to the governing body to help drive this process forward, and that was due to the way that they pioneered the standardization of distributed ledger technology in the space. Now, behind Ripple as a founding member, you also have Stellar. Now, Stellar are also part of the governing body which are driving this process forward, and they gained their seat because they are currently in cahoots with IBM. Currently, IBM are working with Stellar as they try to build a global payment system. Now, behind Ripple and Stellar, you then have XDC, IOTA and Algorand. Now, what ties these 3 cryptocurrency projects together and how they link into ISO 222 is that they are trying to build a global but streamlined international payment system. And as such, they have become early adopters in the ISO 222 standard, and they've gained some financial institution interest over this. Now, those are currently your 5 big cryptocurrency projects that are ISO 222 compliant and could really lead the space. But in addition to this, there are also 3 other cryptocurrency projects that are rumored to be compliant but yet to be verified, and this includes Hedera Hashgraph, Cardano and Quant. But as I said, they are rumored to be compliant, not yet verified that they are. So if you're looking to get started in the cryptocurrency space, or you're just trying to find new coins to bolster your portfolio, these are 8 great coins which you should start researching now. Now, my personal take on all of this is at some point regulation is going to come in, and it's going to come in sooner or later, in which once this regulation hits, we're going to see an absolute massacre of a lot of cryptocurrency projects. So for me, it's better to be betting on cryptocurrency projects which will have approval from governing bodies than ones that will not. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Peace out. Whoa, clicking off the video so soon. Wait there's something I need to tell you. If you haven't already, you need to check out my most recent video, Hedera hash graph and why this could be a 100x gem in the making. On top of that, I'm also currently giving away free NFTs to early viewers of my videos as a token of appreciation. If you want your free NFT, click the link in the bio and it will direct you to OpenSea. As I said, free. If you're brand new to crypto as well and don't even know how to get started, then there's another video you can watch, which is my ultimate guide to getting started in the cryptocurrency market. We're here every week, so sub for your weekly crypto content. Peace out, number 2.